Gee golly gee, the giraffe sees more than you or me.
Gee golly gee.
Gee golly gee, the giraffe looks down so happily.
Gee golly gee.
The world is so beautiful from way up high. Oh my, I like the sky. Gee golly gosh, the giraffe runs so fast through the desert brush.
Gee golly gosh.
Gee golly gosh, the giraffe leaps faster than you or me.
Gee golly gosh.
Gee golly gosh, the giraffe zooms past in a fast, happy rush.
Gee golly gosh.
The world is so beautiful from way up high. Oh my, I like the sky. I like the sky.
How much do you know about giraffes? Let's do some fun quizzes that will help us learn about giraffes. Question 1. What is the color of giraffe spots? A. Purple and yellow. B. Pink and green. C. Orange and brown. The correct answer is C. Orange and brown. Giraffes have beautiful spots that are usually orange and brown in color. These spots help blend in with the trees and grass, making it harder for predators to spot them. Isn't that clever? 2. How long is a giraffe's neck? A. 1 foot. B. 5 feet. C. 10 feet. The correct answer is 10 feet. A giraffe's neck can be as long as 10 feet. That's taller than most grown-ups. Their necks help them reach leaves high in the trees. Amazing, right? Question 3. What sound does a giraffe make? A. A roar. B. A hiss. Or C. A bleat. The correct answer is C. Bleat. The recording we just heard is what giraffes sound like. Giraffes make a sound called a bleat. It sounds like a combination of a snort and a flute. It's a unique sound that giraffes use to communicate to each other. 4. How long is a giraffe's tongue? A. 2 inches. B. 8 inches. C. 18 inches. The correct answer is they don't have tongues. Oh, yes they do. The real correct answer is C. 18 inches. A giraffe's tongue can be as long as 18 inches. That's longer than a grown-up's hand. How long? Their long tongues help them grab leaves from tall trees. Isn't that handy? 5. How fast can a giraffe run? A. 5 miles per hour. B. 20 miles per hour. C. 40 miles per hour. The answer is giraffes fly. No, they don't actually fly. But the correct answer is B. 20 miles per hour, which is pretty fast. Giraffes can run about 20 miles per hour, the most being a little higher than that. That's faster than most people can run. They look slow, but they can actually move pretty fast when they need to. 6. How many legs does a giraffe have? A. 4. B. 6. C. 8. Have you ever seen an eight-legged giraffe? Me either. The correct answer is A. 4 legs. Just like us, giraffes have 4 legs. Actually, our arms would be their legs. So they have 4 legs. They use their strong legs to walk, run, and even kick if they need to protect themselves. 7. What do giraffes like to eat? A. Pizza. B. Ice cream. C. Leaves and twigs. The correct answer is pizza. Just kidding. The correct answer is leaves and twigs. Giraffes are herbivores, which means they only eat plants. They love munching on leaves and twigs from trees. Pizza and ice cream might be tasty for us, but giraffes prefer their leafy greens. 8. How long do giraffes sleep each day? A. 2 hours. B. 8 hours. C. 20 hours. The correct answer is A. 2 hours. Giraffes don't need much sleep. They only sleep for about 2 hours each day. That's because they need to stay alert and watch out for any danger around them. 9. How many baby giraffes are usually born at once? A. 1 baby. B. 3 babies. C. 5 babies. The correct answer is A. 1 baby. Giraffes usually have only 1 baby at a time. The baby giraffe, called a calf, is already quite tall when it's born. It's so cute to see little giraffes taking their first steps. 10. What is a group of giraffes called? A. A herd. B. A flock. Or C. A pride. The correct answer is A. A herd. A group of giraffes is called a herd. Giraffes like to stick together and live in small herds. They're social animals and enjoy spending time with their fellow giraffes. I hope you've learned a lot about giraffes.
Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks, friends.